Hello friends, today we will prepare a base paste for any gravy. This is a rich paste, okay, which will made of onion, tomato, and if you want more richness in it, we can add cashew nuts. So it will be a base. You can add any veg or non-veg dishes and the taste will be jump like anything, so you cannot believe how the taste will change if you add this base paste. So you can prepare it, keep it stored in fridge. Whenever you are preparing something, you can use this paste. For this we need 4 tomato, 4 onion, and cashew nut 50 to 100 gram soaked in the water. Cashew nut is optional. If you want, you can skip, but if you will add cashew nut, it will give rich and taste. Chop the onion in big pieces. Take a karahi or pan, put some oil in it, add chopped onions, saute it very well. Saute it till it become a golden brown color. Add chopped tomatoes. Saute it well. Keep saute it for 5 minutes. It will become like this. Add the cashew nut which was soaked. Saute it very well for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now switch off the gas burner after 4 to 5 minutes. Take it into some plates and wait till it become cool. It's become totally cool. Then make the paste. Once you make paste in the mixer grinder, it will look like this. So keep it somewhere in fridge so that you can use this. It's a base paste you can use with any vegetable or non-veg dishes.